to the channel. Welcome back to J Soultastic. So what? I don't know, but we're doing some upcycling over here and just a little bit of sewing. So it's almost the end of the year, you guys, and I wanted to come back and talk to my J Soultasticers to let you know what your girl's plan is for the new year, okay? Because she got a plan. She got a plan. She got a plan. So with that plan, let's get into the video. Planning on doing in 2024, okay? Because now that your girl is all moved in and she is starting to add decor to the sewing room, she realized that she got a lot of clothes. Okay, and I'm always going out looking, seeing patterns, seeing fabric. I got a lot of fabric. I got a lot of patterns. So my plan is to complete those things that I have now. Okay, what I mean by that is I am going to try. Now I say try because I'm really going to try to not buy any clothes for 2024. Because I have so many clothes that either I can't fit or that I feel like I need to do an adjustment to or revamp. Okay, so I have a lot of clothes that I need to do that too. Either because your girl done got too fat, or she can't fit things away, or I just don't like the way I bought stuff and I didn't really try it on and didn't like the way it fit. So I mean, y'all feel me? You feel me? I mean, how many of y'all have bought some clothes and said, you know, I don't like this anymore? So you know, with us thrifting and revamping things, I think that's what I'm gonna do for 2024. Is I'm going to do mostly revamping and thrifting. Nope, what? Let me take it back. I'm not even going to be trying to thrift because your girl needs to save some coins, okay? She needs to save some coins. So she got a lot of clothes that she needs to work with, and so that's what I'm going to do. I am going to revamp everything that I have, pretty much everything. So that's going to keep me busy. So that's what we're going to be doing in 2024, revamping, okay? It is what it is. I do have some things that I'm going to finish with you guys. I'm gonna show you a little clip in here, kind of sort of somewhere to the side, what my next plan is before I venture out and finish the blue jean dress. I have not forgotten about the blue jean dress, nor have I forgotten about the other two items that I planned on doing. I do plan on doing those, but it won't be until 2024. Bringing those in because of the holidays and things going on. I've had some family tragedies. I've had some financial things going on. So I had to get everything back in order. And so I have a new addition coming to the family, so I'm be happy to share that with you guys. And some new things are also coming to the family with new additions, so I'll be able to share those things with you guys, as well as just, you know, my sewing tips and stuff like that. I'm going to get back into sharing tips and tricks that I use for sewing, or, you know, learning how to use those different feet. I have not forgotten about that, y'all. I just been so busy. I was sick. I had some deaths in the family. I've had some financial things going on that I need to get done. I've been doing some remodeling. So if you go over to my, not remodeling, but some, you know, buying some things to put down and get my family room started. So I've been doing that. Hosted Thanksgiving. I'm hosting Christmas. So I got to get things ready. So I've been busy. So with all that said, we're like 4 minutes into this video. So what else is you gonna be doing, Jay, at J Soultastic? Yeah, like I said, I will not be pretty much buying anything to sew, because I have so much fabric that I have not used. I have so many patterns that I have not used, and I have so many clothes that I need to revamp. So we're gonna be doing a whole lot of upcycling, so I hope y'all ready to do all this upcycling, because I'm excited about it. I'm trying to get everything prepped so that we can get it going. I am in the process of getting the clothes and stuff prepared that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And like I said, I did put a little clip up there earlier of the project I'm working on now, so I'm going to bring you guys in on that video. I'm going to upload that video so you can see the final results of that video, and it is not your regular upcycle. It's a different type of upcycle that I've never done before. So yeah, so I hope you guys come back to watch that video. I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload it, but I'm gonna try to get it up before Christmas, okay? Because that'll be my last one going out before the holidays, and you know, before New Year's come in. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing for New Year's. I don't really have any plans. I never really do anything for New Year's anyway. Either I go to church, or you know, I stay home and just go to sleep. so, so yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, a lot of things have changed in my personal life, so you know, I don't have any plans. But anyway, yeah, that's what we gonna be doing in 2024, y'all. We gonna be revamping, upcycling, yeah, and yeah, not only clothes and items and fabrics or whatever, but shoes, purses. We're going to be revamping those things. And then I'm going to do the little fashion walk. So how many of y'all raise your hand if you liked my little hoodie into a dress video? Thank you for all the love that y'all gave me on that. But with that said, I want to say thank you for supporting J Sotastic. For 2023 is when I started this channel, and it is growing, and hopefully we can reach 1,000 subscribers, you know, soon. So let's get the channel growing, and I know that's going to take me being consistent, which I have not been, but I'm going to check out the algorithms while everybody's on vacation and see what time y'all watching, when y'all want some uploads, what's the most time y'all watch, how many people watch, where you watching from. All those things I'm going to take into account, and then I'm going to dive in and work hard for 2024. Work hard for y'all, work hard for me, and work hard for the channel. So with that, I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thanks for all your support in 2023, and I will see you in the next video when I upload it. So you got a sneak peek. So be excited about that, because yeah, be excited. But I'm excited about it. Okay, y'all, but I gotta go. I'll talk to y'all later. 7 minutes into this video with no sewing, no upcycling, no nothing. But yeah, y'all know what's going on. So I love y'all. Mwah. Thank you for being there for you, girl. I appreciate y'all. All right, and I'll see y'all as soon as I can. Okay, and in the meantime, I'll try to do some shorts. All right.